You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all, bonjour, how to pronounce the name of this expression that originally comes from French. It means an appetizing item of food. Comes from French. Bonne bouche, that's the French pronunciation here. Bonne bouche meaning good mouth. Bonne is French for good. Bouche is French for mouth. So, bonne bouche is how it's pronounced in French. In English, this pronunciation is similar. Bonne bouche, this is also the name of an aged goat's milk cheese. Bonne bouche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.